In Python, asterisk and double asterisk operators have multiple functionalities based on the context we are using them. We can use asterisk as the multiplication operator as well as iterable unpacker. In the same way, we can use double asterisk operator to perform exponentiation as well as to unpack dictionaries. So in this video, I will cover the uses of asterisk as well as double asterisk operators with examples. So this is Ratnakishore. Welcome to my channel. First we will see how we can use asterisk and double asterisks as arithmetic operators. Here we know that asterisk is used for multiplication of two numbers and double asterisk can be used as exponentiation operator. So the first print statement displays 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10, and the second print statement displays 5 to the power of 2, which is nothing but 25. If I run this cell, we got 10 and 25 as the output. So next we will see how we can use asterisk to unpack any iterable object. To explain this, I am considering a function fun, which is accepting the two parameters, first name and the last name, and which will display full name by separating the first name and last name with a space. Now I am considering a list S1 which is having two elements in it. The first element is a string Ratna and the second element is another string Kishore. Now I am sending this list to the fun1 function as input parameter by unpacking it with the help of asterisk. Because of the asterisk here, the S1 list is unpacked and the first name will get Ratna as a first name string and the last name parameter will get Kishore as the last name string. Then I am running this cell, then we got Ratna space Kishore as the full name. Here we need to observe that, so whenever we are using asterisk before any iterable, then the elements of that iterable will be unpacked. Now I am going to give how we can use the iterable unpacker asterisk to extract elements from a tuple. To explain that, I am considering a tuple student1 which is having total 5 elements in it. The first element is the name of the student and the second one is department, and third, fourth, fifth elements are the marks obtained in various subjects by that student. Now I am going to use assignment statement, name, department and asterisk marks is equal to student1. So in this assignment statement, name and department are mandatory variables. Then the name will get a string Rahul and the department will get a string ECE. Since the marks is having the unpacked operator before it, it will get a list which is having 75, 84 and 84 as the elements. Now I am going to display these three variables. Then we got the string Rahul in the name variable, EC in the department variable, and then the list of three values 75, 84 and 84 into the marks variable. Now I will show how we can use the asterisk to extract the elements from the list. Here the list is also iterable. For that I am considering a list numbers which is having 4 numbers in it, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I am using two statements here, A, B and starred C is equal to numbers, where A and B are the mandatory variables and the C is a starred variable. Because of that, A will get 10 and B will get 20 and the C will get list of two elements 30 and 40. Next I am going to use two more statements where the mandatory variables are D and F. Between them I am using E as starred variable. Then the first element in the list numbers goes to D and the last element in the numbers list goes to F and the remaining elements goes to E as a list. Now we will see the output for it. Then we got 10 into D variable and 40 into F variable and the remaining elements 20 and 30 available as a list in the E. Now we will consider one more example where I and J are mandatory variables and H is the starred variable. Since I and J variables are available at the end, I will get 30 into it and J will get 40 into it, and the remaining elements 10 and 20 are available now as a list in variable H. If I run this cell, you will get the same in those variables. Now I am going to show the another way of using asterisk. Here we can use the asterisk operator to manage the several iterables into a single iterable. To explain that, I am considering a list, that is list 1, which is having 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 as elements. And then I am using a statement list 2 is equal to 10, 20, 30, comma, asterisk list 1, comma, 90, comma, 100. Because of the list 1 here, all the elements of the list 1 are unpacked here, then automatically the list 2 will contain 10, 20, 30, and then the elements of list 1, those are from 40 to 80, and the 90 and 100. We will display that list 2 now. See, now we got the numbers from 10 to 100 in the list 2. In the same way, we can use asterisk to merge several iterables into a single iterable. To explain that, I am considering two lists here, list A and list B. List A is having ABC and the list B is having DEF. Now I am going to merge these two lists into a single list, that is list C. Then if I display that list C, then automatically it will have the elements A, B, C, D, E, F in it. So this is the result of the merging of two lists. Finally, I am going to give you how we can use asterisk to pass variable number of arguments to a function. So whenever you don't know the number of parameters you want to pass to any function, then use this method. As input parameter, I am using starred argument, that is starred args as a variable I am using, and this percentage function will display the percentage of the marks by considering the marks we sent as input parameters to this function. Then as first example, I am going to send the marks of 3 subjects, and then marks I am sending 40, 9, 50 and 65. Then if I run this cell, then I got 54.66% as the result here. Suppose if I want to find out the percentage of marks for total 5 subjects, then I got total 60% for all these 5 subjects. So these are the various uses of asterisk operator in Python. Now we will look at the use of double asterisk operator in Python. I already mentioned that double asterisk operator is used to unpack dictionaries. Now use of double asterisk as dictionary unpacker. To explain that, I am considering a dictionary marks which is having 3 items in it. That means this marks dictionary is representing the marks of 3 subjects. Now I am defining a function which will take 3 input values, M1 and M2 and M3, and displays the percentage of marks based on these 3 subjects. Now our aim is to unpack this dictionary to send the values of these 3 subjects into the performance function. To do that, I am using the performance function call with double asterisk and the name of the dictionary. Then automatically all these items are unpacked, and then M1 variable will have separately 50 and M2 variable will have 60 and M3 variable will have 70 in the performance function. So here we have seen the use of double asterisk operator to unpack a dictionary. In the same way, you can use this dictionary unpacker operator double asterisk to combine multiple variables into a dictionary. Now I am defining a function fun2 which will accept a single argument. That argument begins with double asterisk and a variable name representing the keyword arguments. That means this function will accept keyword arguments as actual parameters and converts those keyword arguments as a dictionary that can be used within the function. Then I am using a for loop to display the keys as well as the corresponding values available in that dictionary keyword arguments. Now I am calling this function fun2 with some 3 keyword arguments. Then this keyword arguments variable takes all these keyword arguments as a dictionary. Then this for loop will display all the keys and the respective values. If I run this cell, then we got the key and the corresponding value present in that dictionary received by fun2 function. So that's all, guys. So these are the different ways we have in order to use asterisk and double asterisk operators in Python.